Let's go see how many eggs they laid in these past 4 days. There's nothing here in this first nesting box, or in the corner. Nothing in that nesting box. There are, if that will focus, there are 7 eggs in here, and there does not appear to be any that are broken. These 7 look good. They don't look broken, but I would candle them just to make sure. To put the top back on this nesting box last time I was here, but there's nothing in here. Nothing here. There is one there. I see chicken poop. Someone must have slept in here. And nothing there. Eggs in 4 days. It looks like the egg production is slowing down for the winter.